Low flow? So you increased pump speed, and things actually got worse. There's a solid engineering reason behind this. This is a very common reaction. Flow looks low, so we increase pump speed, expecting flow to improve. But many times, nothing changes. We assume that more speed automatically means more flow. That assumption sounds logical, but it only works in ideal systems. In real installations, flow is rarely pump limited. Flow is almost always system limited. The pump can only deliver what the system allows. When you increase pump speed, fluid velocity increases. And as velocity increases, pressure losses increase much faster. This is the critical point. Pressure loss is proportional to velocity squared, so doubling velocity can mean 4 times the losses. Increasing speed shifts the pump curve, but the system curve doesn't move. The piping, valves, bends, and restrictions stay exactly the same. Because of that, the operating point barely moves. You increase RPM, but usable flow hardly changes. What does increase is stress. Cavitation starts, motor load increases, seals, bearings, and impellers begin to fail. So the result is simple. More speed, more problems, and often the same flow. Remember this. More doesn't always mean better. Pump systems must be diagnosed, not forced. Fix the system, not the RPN. This is Engineering Unfiltered. Real engineering, no filter.